Good day, viewers, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can use a specially made prompt, a special customized or customed prompt to do your data analysis, to do your chapter 4 and 5. Now, chapter 4 and 5 is the most important and, of course, difficult part in a research. So, and nominally, for those that are doing postgraduate research, especially the PhD and MSc, or even undergraduate level, we use SPSS to do data analysis, but it's not everyone that has the financial muscle to use SPSS. So we have developed a special data analysis prompt that can help you write your chapter 4 and 5 easily, in fact within an hour. Yes, within an hour. So today's video needs more of your attention, and you have to sit tight and follow me. I might not be doing more of the talking. I will only be showing you how you can use this prompt to write chapter 4 and 5. And if you are wondering how you can as well get this special prompt, the link below the video is where you can get it. So just click on the link below this video and get the customized prompt for your data analysis and chapter 5. Okay, and please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video so that it will reach others that are also in need of this prompt. Okay, so I'll open my system. You see, I'm already on the Chatgpt. Then I'll go to this data analysis and conclusion prompt. I'll right click on it, open it in a new tab. Please just follow me step by step. So when I open it in a new tab, the next thing I will do is to I'll click start writing my data analysis. Then I'll upload a file. The file I'm going to upload is chapter 1 to 3 of my research. So you have to upload your chapter 1 to 3, the one that you want to do the data analysis. So I'll just upload a file. Then I'll give a command. See the command I'm giving. I say do a holistic background check on the uploaded file. Advise me on the best format data analysis for chapter 4 and 5 in the kind of visual presentation tables or presented tables that should be made. Do not forget to show proof of the research objectives being achieved. I'll proceed. I will still be answering the prompts. The prompts will be asking me some necessary questions, which you will see the way I will respond to it. It's showing me how it will be. This particular what is doing now, it is showing me how it will be. See, overall research orientation, study mix method. That's featured all of those things: location, aim, core objective, extracted, recommended quantitative analysis, and visual formats for chapter 4. All of this is showing me how it will be. This particular particular chapter is important and of course a difficult chapter, so the prompt is taking its time. So you and I also, we have to take our time to study it, to sit tight and watch. We don't have to rush. Now look at the question. It said, would you like me to proceed by generating the data set? That's option 2. Now look at what it's saying. Remember, I told you that you upload your file, and aside from uploading your file, you get your raw data, what you've gotten from the field. You get them ready so that you can, or after uploading this, you re-upload your raw data, which the prompt will now use to run the analysis for you. But if you don't have, the prompt can generate the data set. Now look at, say you now have a clear analytical map to actually generate the tables and figures described above. I need either number 1, your climate and yield data set, values and or survey data. That's one. That's what he needs. Or authorization to construct a synthetic data set. You authorize it to generate the data for you. Matching your authorization to construct a synthetic data set, matching your study design. You can see 300 farmers, variables, temperature, rainfall, yield, adaptation, food security index. Now he said, once you provide one of these, I will begin chapter 4 following this structure, embedding all tables, graphs, and narrative proofs in line. Now what I will do, I will ask it to generate a data set, which I can simply say option 2. I can say option 2. So the prompt has the ability of generating a data set for you if you don't have one. So it will generate the data set for you. Planned analysis, climate, okay. Please confirm the following. Keep n equals to 300 and variables as listed above. Maintain the 2012 and 2022 10 years period. Okay. Use Anambra specific context. Yes. Once you confirm these three points or edits, I will generate chapter 4 immediately. So what are you going to do here? You can just simply copy. You can maybe copy this test here. Please confirm one last stylistic preference before I start. Would you like the chapter 4 written style to be A, more formal academic, concise journal alike, or B, moderately narrative, clear and explanatory, smooth transition or a transition for readability? So I'll just choose A. Just pay attention to what the prompt is doing. It's generating the data set, including the annual data, so let's just wait. This is data analysis, so it has to take time. So do not go, don't be tired, sit tight. Let's do it to the end. Okay, so if it takes more time, you can refresh. Okay. So I already created and displayed the dataset, tables and figures. Tell me which of the following you want next, and I will continue. I will produce the full written chapter 4 from section 4.0 to 4.9 using the synthetic dataset and embedded every table and figure in line in the narrative. I will rerun the models, adding a rainfall term and diagnostic check. I will generate the qualitative tables. I will export the synthetic data set. So I will prompt it 1 to produce the full written chapter 4. But then let's confirm something. Okay, it has generated the figures. That's what I wanted to confirm. Look at the figures here. It has shown how it will be from chapter 4.1, how it's going to be. You see, data code book, descriptive and distributions, regression and models, all of those. So I will now ask it to write the chapter 4 and to bring in those figures and table and everything that are necessary. So I'll just prompt 1. Would you like the chapter text to be formatted as full academic proofs with embedded caption and table/figures inline, or semi-structured format? I'll just prompt A. But note that if you are doing it, you prompt your choice. When you are doing it, you prompt your choice, like provision of the data set. If you have your data, what the data you gathered when you went for your field work, you upload it. Okay, so I started doing the work. Beautiful. Beautiful. Are you seeing? This is beautiful. It's generating, so let's wait. Sample data preview. Your full chapter 4 data analysis and results has been drafted in formal academic proofs with all tables and figures integrated in line. Okay, so you just read through it. What I'm going to do now is to just copy and go to where I can look at it very well. So you copy it from here. You don't download, you copy. Beautiful. So you take time to check your tables. You can expand, you can arrange it well. See what I'm doing. You can try to expand the tab. Fine. So this is climate data from 2012 to 2022. Show that annual rainfall fluctuates between approximately 1,500 mm and 2,000 mm, with mean annual temperature ranging from 27 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius. The histogram figure 4.1, which you will see how I'm going to extract it, how I'm going to bring it into this my work, like into this my Microsoft. So now figure 4.1 reveals a near normal. So what you have to do after copying it and paste here in your Microsoft, the next thing you do is to look at it, read it, so you discover where your figures will be placed. So you see, this is where the figures will come in. Can you see? Okay, so look at what I will do next. I'll go back to the prompt. I'll go to the figures. See, it has generated 3 figures. Now the 3 figures, the prompt has not explained the figures, each of them. It has not explained each of them. What will I do? What I will do now is to ask him why he didn't explain, and that it should explain each of the figures. So while it's explaining the figures, I'll now go to the figures. I'll save each of them as PNG. I'll save each of them as PNG. Right click, save as. Just say figure 1. You can say FIG 4.1 PNG. Do not forget to put PNG, then save. You go to next, you right click, save as, figure 2 PNG. Go to the third one, right click, save as, figure 3 PNG. Do not forget the PNG. Let's go and check if it has explained. Okay. It has already did a general explanation here. Okay, I needed it to give me a brief explanation of each, so I can bring each of them under the figures. But since it has already done that, I've saved those figures. Now I will go back to here, this place. So where you are seeing figure 1, if you want it to be on top, you can bring your mouse here. Like if you want the figure to be there first before this. But then I think I am going to make mine to be under the title. So I will enter. Then I will now go to my files. I'll go to download. I'll go to the downloads. Look at the figures here. This is figure 1. I'll right click. Then I will copy. After copying, I go back to my soft to look at where I'm going to paste it. So I'll paste it here. You see, that's beautiful. So I've gotten my figure 1. The next thing I'm going to do is to also enter here so I can have my figure 2. Then I'll still go to my files, go to upload, I'll go to figure 2, I'll copy figure 2, go back to my soft and paste. C. So that's perfect. The next thing I will do here is to look for where I'm going to place the figure 3. Of course, you will see. So you search for it gently. Okay, so look at where we'll have figure 3 here. So I'll just enter here. I'll first separate it from this table, then I'll go back to my files, figure 3, right click, copy, go back to the software, then paste. So that's that. This in, this in. Alright, so I will go back to the prompt. Let's go and continue chapter 5. Would you like this chapter written in the same formal academic tone and line format? So I would say A. So that's all. That is all. So once you follow all these steps, you are good to go. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Let me just copy, arrange, and that's all for chapter 5. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I'll copy. Remember, you have to copy from here. Wow. So everything is complete now. Good job. see. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. I still remain Rich Adet. Thank you so much for watching.